Tawazani Sanbonani, I'm greeting you all in the name of the Creator. This is what we call Esgqiki Somkhovu. To the self-initiates and people that abazi lento seyigayiwe. It's difficult to speak English. It's difficult to speak English when it comes to spiritual matters, guys. Yeah, Esgqiki Somkhovu. Siyaqinisa ikhaya, siyabethela, siyavikela, senza a lot of other things. And then once again, you won't be able to buy this from someone that doesn't have a license. You need to have a license to own this plant. I mean, to buy this plant. What am I saying? You need to have, the person that is selling it has to have a license, because it's one of the most important plants. It's just like when you've got isikhumba sengwe, you can't walk with that. So same as the plants, imvelo kaNkulunkulu, indalo iyelapha ke. Kuningi okwenzekayo kulesi sihlahla lesi, kodwa ikhambi, protection, esikuningi awavoti